Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of becoming a millionaire but think it's impossible on your modest salary? Well, think again. Today, we're going to show you how you can achieve financial freedom and become a millionaire, even on a modest salary. The first step is to create a budget and stick to it. Cut out unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing your money. Next, focus on increasing your income. Look for opportunities to earn more through side hustles, freelancing, or investing in a small business. It's important to live below your means and avoid keeping up with the Joneses. Don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Investing early and consistently is key to building wealth. Take advantage of retirement accounts, stocks, real estate, and other investment opportunities. Stay disciplined and patient. Becoming a millionaire takes time and dedication. Stay focused on your goals and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Remember, anyone can become a millionaire with the right mindset and financial habits. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your wealth grow. If you found this information valuable, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe so I can make more videos.